Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about 5 top programming languages to learn in 2022. So start our video. First one is JavaScript. According to stackoverflow.com, JavaScript's popularity reaches 67.8%. Compare that with Python, which is 41.7%. This figure only should give you a reason to learn JavaScript. But not only that, JavaScript is without question the queen of internet. It is commonly used in web browsers for rendering content. Almost all browsers have built-in support for JavaScript. Most websites have HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So next one in our list is Python. Yes, Python is growing day by day. Python is the most popular programming language for web-based startups. Python is good for AI, machine learning, and many more. Instagram, Pinterest, Spotify, Dropbox, Uber, and Reddit are all built with Python. These are the number of sites, and if you want to focus on web-based applications, Python should be on the top of the list. Python lacks built-in mobile development capabilities. Instead, different frameworks and libraries enable Python-based development for mobile apps, including packages like Kiwi, PyQt, or Beaver's Toggle library. And the next one in our list is Kotlin. Kotlin entered the market some 10 years ago. It is known as the language of Android and it is tool for front-end developers. In 2017, Google made a choice in favor of Kotlin for Android app development. However, the things changed back then. Nowadays, Kotlin has potential to be a true full-stack solution for use on servers, in the web browser and on mobile. So the next one on our list is Scala. Yes, Scala can be many reasons for learning. Firstly, it seems to be successfully compete with Java. It solves many Java issues. Scala runs on Java Virtual Machine and is interoperable with Java code. For the differences and similarities between Scala and Java, read this article. Secondly, it's a multi-paradigm language. It supports both object-oriented programming (OOP) and functional programming (FP). For developers, it's good to learn at least one language for a different paradigm, and Scala gives an opportunity to learn both at a time. So the next one I have Go. Go deserves its place in the list of top programming languages to learn in. Next one on my list is Go deserves its place in the list of the top programming languages to learn in 2022. It's all-purpose modern language that stands out when we talk about machine learning, graphics, and mobile applications. More and more people are just starting to learn Golang. So thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, let me know your thoughts in comments below. I will see you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.